Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this perfect Nigerian jollof rice. So if you're interested, stay tuned as I take you through all the list and process of making this delicacy. So guys, to make our jollof rice, we're going to be needing some fresh tomato plum, which you can also use some canned tomato plum if you can't get the fresh one. So this is the brand I love using if I don't have the fresh tomatoes. And I'm also going to be using some sweet long chili peppers, which is also known as tatache. And if you can get your hands on the sweet chili peppers, you can definitely replace it with some red bell peppers. So I have some onion, scotch bonnet peppers and garlic. And I also do have some curry powder, dry thyme, tomato paste, some chicken stock powder, nutmeg and salt. And also I do have here some bay leaves, which I'm going to be using for the jollof rice. So here is my turkey broth, which I already made. I have the recipe for the turkey broth and I'm going to be dropping the link on the comment section. So for today's jollof rice, I'm going to be using basmati rice, and I'm using the Godisela basmati rice. So guys, right now I will start by washing my peppers, which I'm going to be taking off all the seeds from the peppers before washing them. So guys, for this jollof rice recipe, as you can see, I'm using the basmati rice. So I'm going to be showing you the process of making your basmati jollof rice so it will come out delicious and yummy without you breaking your rice. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, my name is Lydia Isaac. You're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and I hope you do enjoy watching. So right now I'm done washing my peppers and onion. I'll go ahead and start blending them. So I'm going to be using just a very little amount of water to blend my peppers. And when I'm done blending the first batch, I'll go ahead and add in the other ones into the already pureed tomato to help it to grind without me adding more waters. So after blending my peppers, I will transfer into my pot and I'm going to be steaming the peppers so it will drain off all the water, of which is going to make the cooking process easy and also make your jollof rice to come out very delicious. So this is my peppers. Few minutes later, it's done steaming, all the water has drained off, so I'll take it off my pot. So right now I'll transfer back my pot into the fire and I'm going to be adding some oil, which I'm going to use for my jollof rice. I'll add in my onion into the hot oil and I'll go ahead and dice my garlic. So I'm just going to be cooking this for just about 1 minute, and just a minute later I'll go ahead and transfer in my tomato paste, which I'm going to be cooking on a medium heat for about 10 minutes so it will get cooked properly and all the sour and tangy taste will go off the tomato paste. So during that 10 minutes, you make sure that you go ahead and give this a stir so it doesn't get burnt. So right now I'll go ahead and transfer in my already steamed tomato and peppers, and I'll mix it up with the tomato paste, which is already well cooked. I'll add in the bay leaf, thyme and curry powder. And right now I'm not going to be adding my stock powder, So I'll also go ahead and add in some nutmeg. This is going to give your jollof rice that delicious taste, and you are going to love the aroma also. So I'll stir this up together and allow it to keep on cooking on a medium heat until it dries up completely. So guys, right now you can see I haven't added any seasoned cube or salt into this pepper mix. Reason is that I have most of them on my turkey broth. So I'm going to be dropping the link of the recipe of the turkey on the description box so you can check it out and see how I make the delicious turkey, which you are also going to enjoy. So right now I will wash my rice thoroughly until the water comes clean, and I'll transfer the rice into my tomato. So I'm going to be stirring this together. And after stirring, I will add in my turkey broth. You can also use chicken stock or beef, anyone you like. So for this recipe, I'm using turkey. I'll add in some salt after tasting, and I'll add in 1 chicken stock powder. So I will stir this up completely. Right here, I noticed my pot was too small, so I transferred into a bigger pot, and I'm going to be using this pot to make the rice. So guys, as you can see how the amount of the water is. The water is just almost at the same level with the rice, just a little bit more at the top of the rice. So I'll cover this with a cling film to allow all the heat to cook the rice, because we're not going to be using water to cook it here. So the steam is going to cook the rice and make it come out delicious, and makes it absorb those nice flavor we just put on the tomato sauce. So right now the rice is ready, all the water have drained up, and I'll just go ahead and stir this up together. Though it is not completely cooked, we still have some few minutes to steam it to make the rice totally cooked. So I will go ahead now and add in just about 3 tablespoons of butter into this rice. This is going to make the rice come out more soft, and you're going to love how this rice melts in your mouth, and the flavor is just going to be divine. So I'll cover the pot of rice with the butter and put it on a very low heat, so the steam will melt the butter and the butter will melt into the rice. And this was about 10 minutes later. I'll go ahead and stir this. So you want to make sure it is on a very low heat so the rice doesn't get burnt, because at this moment we're cooking the rice with the steam, not with the fire. So I'll cover again and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes, and 5 minutes later our delicious Nigerian jollof rice is ready. You can see how my basmati rice came out without breaking and without sticking to each other. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you do find this recipe helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also drop a comment on the comment section, as I will gladly reply to your comments. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button so you will never miss any recipe from this channel. And thank you once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do check out on my turkey recipe, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.